Well, a home-based daycare center in Saanich remained closed tonight, a day after Czech News first exposed child sex abuse charges linked to the operation. Licensing officials are defending themselves, but questions remain about why it took so long to shut down Monkey Tree Daycare after the allegations first surfaced in late January. Kristen Robinson has more.
It's not ready yet?
Natalia Fawcett is taking care of 3 young children at her home daycare.
Nyla, is your cake ready yet?
The Saanich mother is licensed to care for up to 7 kids aged 1 and up. She's shocked to learn of the sexual allegations against the partner of another home daycare operator.
It's unfortunate, but you really have to do your homework and make sure you're leaving your children with someone that you trust, and it's tough.
What the hell's going on over there? I haven't seen a hell of a lot of them lately.
For the second day in a row, no one answered the door at Monkey Tree Daycare. The operator's partner, 60-year-old Douglas Ralph Page, is charged with sexually touching and sexually assaulting a child from the daycare between 2010 and 2012. Police began investigating in January after receiving a complaint. Charges were laid in late March.
I am surprised, but I knew they were looking after kids. But he didn't talk very much.
Page was arrested in January and released on conditions he not be at the home during daycare hours or when children were present. But Monkey Tree continued to operate for more than 2.5 months after the child molestation allegations first surfaced.
We got a commitment from the operator that there would be no opportunity for interaction between the children and the accused. And under those circumstances, if they had been abided by, there should be no risk to the children.
Earlier this week, health officials received information alleging Page was breaching his conditions. Fran Emberton claims she saw him on the premises when she went to pick up her son from the daycare last week.
I didn't know that he was not supposed to be there.
You saw him?
And I saw him.
Emberton emailed a report to Saanich Police Tuesday, and late Wednesday, health officials suspended the daycare's license.
Had we received that at any time after the January conditions were put in place, this action would have taken. I would have moved immediately.
Monkey Tree's operator has 1 month to submit written reasons as to why her license should not be suspended. Meantime, property records list Page as the owner of this Quadra Street home, but a woman who answered the door Wednesday told us he doesn't live here.
I'm 8 little monkeys. Keeping it clear.
Lisa Thomas operates a home daycare with a similar name. She's already getting queries from parents and wants to ensure them there is no connection.
Reputation of a daycare is really important, so I would ask a lot of questions for sure.